Hello, second grade. Ms. Fogelman here for your math lesson today. So let's go ahead and get started. Today is October 21st, and our topic today is we're covering addition and subtraction, but today will be addition. The student will be able to use an open number line to add two numbers together. So we are again looking at the open number line, which is very nice because you can start your number line wherever you would like. You're not having to start at one necessarily. All right, let's watch the following video as soon as Ms. Fogelman goes back and makes sure she checked the correct box. All right.
Hi everyone, this is Mrs. T from PS11. Today I'm going to show you how to solve a two-digit plus two-digit addition equation using an open number line. An open number line is a number line with no numbers or markers. We add numbers and markers as we work. It's a model that serves as a visual representation for sharing and recording mathematical thinking strategies based on place value. Let's solve 45 plus 32 together. So the first thing I need to do is draw my open number line, which I have here, and place my starting number, which in this case will be 45. Now I'm going to add by place, adding the value of each digit in 32. First, I will add 3 tens and represent that with 3 jumps and label. Plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. 45 plus 10 equals 55, plus 10 equals 65, plus 10 equals 75. Next, I will add 2 ones and represent that with a smaller jump and label. 1, 2, plus 1, plus 1. 75 plus 1 equals 76, plus 1 equals 77. Last, I'll add my sum to my equation. 45 plus 32 equals 77. As students become more fluent adding multiples of 10, they may choose to show one large jump to represent adding 3 tens or 30 all at once. Let me show you that. So I'd have my open number line. And again, I'm going to place my starting number, 45. But now I'm going to add 3 tens or 30 all at once with one large jump. 45 plus 30 equals 75 plus 2 equals 77. This is how we can solve a two-digit plus two-digit addition equation using an open number line. I hope you found this helpful.
Okay, so let's go back to our slides. All right, so we are going to be using the open number line just like the teacher did on the video for this problem. So before I get started, let me grab my pen. All right, Brian drove to the store, which is 25 miles away. After he finished at the store, he went to visit his friend, which was another 35 miles away. How many total miles did he drive that day? Okay, so they want to know how many total miles he drove that day. Okay, so we know that we need to be adding to find the total of the two numbers. So 25 plus 35, and we're going to use the open number line. So here is my open number line, okay? And we're going to start with the number 25, okay? And if I look at the number 35 because I'm adding that to 25. There's 3 sets of 10, okay? So I'm going to add 1 set of 10 plus 10, and that takes me to 35. I'm going to add 2 sets of 10, and that takes me to 45. Remember, we have 3 sets of 10 in this number. So I'm going to add 1 more set of 10. And that's 55. Okay. Now we're not done yet though, because we also have this 5 in the ones place. So I know that 55 plus 5 is like counting by 5s. So I'm going to go ahead and add that 5. And if I'm counting by 5s, I say 55, 60. Okay, so my total is 60. So that means the total number of miles he drove that day was 60 miles. All right. Let's go over that one more time. Brian drove 25 miles to the store, and then from the store to his friend's house, he drove 35 miles. The question asked us how many total miles did he drive that day, so we knew we needed to add. We started with the number 25 and we added 35. We knew that there was a 3 in the tens place, so we had to add 30. 1 set of 10, 2 sets of 10, 3 sets of 10. And then we still had this 5 in the ones place, so we added the 5 and came to 60. All right, let me get my... All right, our check for understanding is in Seesaw. So make sure you go there and do your activity. And before tomorrow's lesson, I'd like you to think about how would subtraction look different on an open number line? How would it look different than addition? Okay, so think about that and we'll go over that tomorrow. All right, thank you. Have a good day. Make sure you go in Seesaw and get your work done.